rest mass energy of an electron is 0.51 mega electron volt. If this electron is moving with the velocity 0.8 c, where c is velocity of light in vacuum and its value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, then kinetic energy of the electron should be. Now given rest mass is given. See, rest mass is usually denoted by m naught, and rest mass energy of the electron is given. So rest mass energy of the electron is m naught c square. M naught c square. Kinetic energy is half m naught c square. It's a total energy. So it is given as 0.51 mega electron volt. And if the electron is moving with the velocity 0.8 c, its kinetic energy I have to find out. Now. So we know its mass is m naught by, that is relativistic mass when it is moving. Relativistic mass when it is moving, it is m is equal to m naught by root of 1 minus v square by c square, which is m naught by root of 1 minus 0.8 c by c whole square, which is m naught by root of 1 minus c cancels, 0.8 square is 0.64. So that is m is equal to m naught by root of 0.36, which is m naught by 0.6. Now mc square is, m is m naught by 0.6, m naught by 0.6 into c square. So m naught c square we have the value here into c square. So that is 0.51 by 0.6, which is 0.85 mega electron volt. This is a total energy, that is rest mass energy of the electron. This is energy of the moving electron. Okay. So now kinetic energy is rest mass energy minus energy of the moving electron. This is rest mass energy, this is energy of the moving electron, that is mc square minus m naught c square. So that is 0.85 minus 0.51, which is 0.34 mega electron volt, out of which option B is the right answer. Out of which option B seems to be the right answer.